got a cop. We got a hill.
Oh, shit.
And we got first gear.
Oh,
and we got traffic.
shit.
It's the moment you've been waiting on.
No, it's not. It's the moment you've been waiting on.
Let off the brake, though. You can feel how it holds you. There you go.
No.
You got it. You got it. We got nobody behind us. Ideal situation. Clutch. Clutch. There you go. Clutch in. There you go.
Oh, God.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James, and what's your Forte? And as you see, I got somebody in the car. This is Dallas. Y'all may know him as Unworthy Motors. I'll be linking his channel down below. He just recently did a review on my G80. You definitely want to check that out. And I'm actually in his beautiful Yas Marina Blue M4. This is like nostalgia vibes because, as y'all know, I had an M4, and this car is like bringing me back to the M4 vibes, man. I'm kind of missing that coupe life, like getting into this. His actual F82 M4 is a manual. I've never driven one before. This is a secret. I'm letting you guys know on this secret right here. I don't drive manual very well, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go today. Y'all pray for me and pray for his clutch. So let's go ahead and get into the video.
Thoughts and prayers.
All right, guys, so one thing about this car that is also bringing back nostalgia vibes is a lot of my parts from my M4 almost all of them went to Dallas. He got my charge pipes, my intercooler. He got the CTS turbo intake, downpipe. He's got the front lip, the side skirts. He's got a lot of my stuff that I had is on this car. So this is like version 2.0 of my car with his spin on it. So it's a little unique there, man. So this should be a fun video, man. I'm a little nervous, I don't want to mess up anyone's car. I don't think I am. I think I'm okay. I've driven a manual like 3 months ago, but that was just to park it. So we'll see how this goes, man. So right now we're in a parking lot, so I'm just gonna drive around the parking lot, get used to the clutch, just trying to feel the car out, and then we may hit some streets and we'll see how it goes. So let's get to it. All right, so as you guys know, manual, got an e-brake, got the manual. So right now we're in neutral, so I'll put the e-brake down, put the clutch in, get in the first. Hold on, so on this one, do you have to pull up for reverse?
Nope.
So it'll go in reverse just regular?
Yeah, you gotta push it real hard though.
But
nope.
All right, so that's first. That's good. That's what I want to be. I want to be in first.
I thought you were gonna put it in reverse.
No, there ain't no way.
No, don't go that way.
There's nowhere to go.
Don't go that way. Don't go that way.
All right, so just kind of want to feel this clutch here a little bit. Oh, I came off a little fast there. Just a little fast. Okay, all right, just cruising.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah, man, it's straight. You know what I mean?
Hey, you didn't stall. You didn't stall.
I didn't stall.
That's a win already.
That is a win. That's a good win.
Yeah, when in doubt, clutch and brake.
Oh, man, that was easy.
You got it, bro. Immediate.
I didn't feather the throttle though. You know how people do the. I didn't do that. I didn't heel toe, but that was real smooth though. Okay, all right. Yeah, man. Maybe I'll get a manual for my next car. Just driving around, I'm just trying to get the feel of the car. I don't want to go straight out there and then I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I'm quite ready for the street yet, man. What do you think?
We'll do a couple more takeoffs.
Yeah. That's what I just see. It's a start and stop for me. That's my problem.
So throw it in reverse.
Right now?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in reverse.
Oh, we just got to go further over.
Yeah. So
Okay.
don't let the clutch out all the way. Just let the car. You don't even have to give it gas.
Yeah, it's gonna
Just,
roll.
just,
It's gonna roll.
just come to
back
the
anyway.
catch and just ride the catch. Don't let it out all the way. Just let the motor do the work.
Okay.
It'll roll you all the way back for you.
Oh, all right.
And we can scoot back just a little bit so you have a little bit more to move.
You know, another thing, he doesn't have a backup camera, so
No.
I feel like I'm back in the 90s. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Alright, I think I'm far enough back. So far, so good. It's not that bad. I would say the last manual I drove was a GT 350 Mustang, and it was terrible compared to this. Like,
Really?
it was bad to try to actually get that into gear and get it out of first. Like, I stalled immediately the first
Really?
time. You know what I mean?
The way that I do it is I feather the exhaust pedal. A lot of people just like they hold it down. I prefer to almost just feather it as it's going out versus
Okay.
just kind of like trying to find it and catch. I mean, you can hear the exhaust, and that helps out with your ability to find a catch point and still ride on the gas a
So
little
you
bit.
just kind of just do that. a
Yeah, I
little
do
bit,
that.
and then just kind of slowly let off the
Yeah,
clutch.
just keeping the RPMs up enough. Just go slow. That's better.
Ah, okay.
Man, better than the first time.
Oh, I went to fourth.
Oh yeah, straight down.
Yeah, my fault. I was like, we just wouldn't have went anywhere. I'm like,
Hey man, you haven't stalled, so you're already winning.
Yeah, it's a win, man. Y'all gotta hit the like. Y'all gotta
Yeah.
subscribe for that. I haven't
Like,
stalled yet.
subscribe,
Yeah,
everything.
I haven't stalled yet. I'm good.
This car's never been stalled before. Not by me.
Man, he
not
had to
by
say
me,
that
at
on
least.
camera.
Not by me, at least.
Why he had to say that on camera, man? Come on. Set me up, man. That's messed up, man. I thought we was cool. Man.
Yeah.
Man, that's smooth.
Right. Just take your time. Go easy. You can ride first gear out, even if you have
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
I'll ride first gear for like 10 feet before I let it out sometimes. Just because it's so jerky.
Y'all tripping.
You can give him a rep.
Nah, I ain't giving him shit. This ain't my car.
Oh,
Yeah, almost.
yeah,
almost.
you was in second.
Yeah, I was. I'm just gonna go down this way.
Okay.
Just go down there, turn around. Y'all, I'm doing it, man. I'm feeling like a pro right here. You know what I mean? Feeling real pro-ish right now.
Watch out.
Yeah. Come on, lady.
There you go. Look at you. Really manhandle it into gear.
Ooh, that boy doing something. Let's go, man.
And the car's not low, so you can hit holes, you can hit speed
I'm
bumps.
still,
You ain't gonna hurt nothing. We're too high up in the air.
man, this is a lot easier than that Mustang I drove, man. Like, I don't think you understand. That Mustang was terrible. It was like, it made me feel like, man, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Ooh, sorry. I let off the clutch a little too early
Yeah.
on
You're going into dangerous territory over here.
that. I know. I probably shouldn't have done this, huh?
I don't know if there's a cul-de-sac or not.
Me neither.
Go right.
Yeah, let's look at the map.
Yeah, go right. I bet there's a cul-de-sac over there.
It was smooth, man.
It was.
It was.
You
man.
get the hang of it.
Yeah, it's just taking a little bit, you know. Straight up. Ooh, that was real smooth. Okay. Man, it's nothing, man. Thought it was gonna be something, man. If that Mustang, that was making me look bad.
Just keep going straight.
Yeah, it looks like it's
yeah. Expert mode. Next, we drift. Yeah, just
all right. It's not too bad, man.
that's the natural progression. Oh. Careful, go slow.
Yeah. Man, I just gotta get used to the. I felt I was going straight up, but I guess I wasn't.
When we come to a stop, I'll show you. But like, it has like built-in wall.
To better explain what I was talking about, James, the shifter actually rests directly between 3 and 4. So if you were to go straight up, that's going to be 3rd, straight down, that's 4th, and that's at the dead set resting point of the shifter. And there's a wall right here that is 1st and 2nd, and then the next wall is right there, 5th and 6th. So you don't have to try to find the gear. You basically just know that right in the dead middle is 3 and 4. And then, of course, reverse is you hit that wall, go 1 step further, and then up.
God, the second third was smooth. I ain't even. Man, let's go, man. Put them thug life glasses on me right now. You know what I mean? Like. I thought this was gonna be way worse than what it is right now.
Yeah,
it's only because the last 2 manuals I drove were both Mustangs, and I was stalling out. But like I said, the catch point was all the way at the top. It was terrible, man.
easy. Look at that butter. That
was a little rough, but I got it there. What's next? What's the next progression?
Road.
Think I'm ready for that?
No.
Well, then when you gonna put me on the road if I'm not ready? Y'all see y'all set me up, man. Y'all save me, man.
Just a casual.
All right, guys. So drove around the parking lot. It felt pretty good. I would say, I think I did okay. My first time been jumping in and never driving a manual in any BMW before, so I think I did okay. What do you think?
Oh yeah. I mean, most people stall out. I
Yeah.
mean, it's not necessarily the easiest car to learn in. It's pretty torquey, as you can see.
Yeah.
First gear's awful for anybody to learn how to drive, but you haven't stalled, so you're already doing better than most.
That's right. Y'all hear that?
Yeah.
Y'all hear that? But so
you had a little panic, but that's okay.
Yeah. I was trying to find the gear. Like, where's the gear? Hold on. But so right now this is step 2. We're gonna hit not main streets, but side streets that are connected to the main streets. Just gonna drive around a little bit, get comfortable. Then we're gonna hit the main streets. Now y'all probably like, man, this dude's pathetic. But look, this isn't my car, and I don't want to fuck anything up. So I don't want to mess anything up for your kids out there. Don't be cussing. But yeah. So let's go ahead and get into it. I let off the clutch just a little bit. Oh no! Oh no! I just let it off just a little bit.
Oh, you done it now. There you go.
Yeah, see, like once I get going, I'm okay. Okay.
For not having done it in this long, you're doing pretty well.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Y'all heard him?
Yeah.
Y'all heard him? Now the real test is gonna be me getting back into an older BMW. Steve wants me to drive his. He has a classic E30 manual.
Ooh.
That's gonna be the real test.
They're still smooth. You're not gonna have the auto rev match.
Yeah, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough. Steve, if you watch this, I pray for your clutches, man.
Man,
pray for
thoughts and prayers, bro. Thoughts and prayers. I'm glad we ain't got no drinks in here on that first pull off.
Oh,
first.
yeah.
I
thought he was like, what the fuck?
I thought I was in a car
I
accident.
thought he was like, what did I just do? I'm letting this guy drive my car?
My mileage just went from like 35K to now 40K on the body, 35K
on the clutches.
Yeah. Main road, here we go. Just drive it to Uptown.
Nah, I'm good. let's not get ahead of ourselves here. So as you guys can see, I can manage a manual. So I know a lot of people be like, "Well, you don't ever buy manual. You buy a manual." That's cool. I can see the engagement. I could see me buying like this year model of manual. You know what I mean? Like I think that the G80s, I think they're more so fit for the auto with the way it's set up. But this car, I could see manual.
All right. So we got a cop. We got a hill.
Oh shit.
And we got first gear.
Oh.
And we got traffic. It's the moment you've been waiting on.
No, it's not. It's the moment you've been waiting on.
Let off the brake though. You can feel how it holds you. There you go.
No.
You got it. You got it. We got nobody behind us. Ideal situation. Clutch. There you go. Clutch in. There you go.
Oh God. I'm sorry. Oh God. That's gonna look crazy on the video. I gotta start the video with that.
Oh God.
You're gonna be like, what the? Oh.
I was like, keep it together. You've got it.
I was like, hold on. What I do? Clutch. I took my foot completely off the clutch.
Oh
like,
my God. When in doubt, clutch in every time. Clutch brake.
Jeez.
My car's never gonna be the same.
Don't say
It's
that.
gonna be a beaten child
Don't say
now.
that. These cars are built Ford tough.
I'm gonna back it in the garage, and you're just gonna hear it whimpering. Why'd you do that to me? I thought we were friends.
Oh man, I told you, heels are my kryptonite, man. You thought I was lying? Heels are my kryptonite. As you see, flat ground, I'm good. Heels is what I gotta get better at. I've always struggled at heels.
When I was learning, I learned on a E34 that my dad had, and it was the same thing. Obviously, the hills are the hard part for everybody. And he was like, "Oh, you don't like the hills?" He literally was like, "All right, let's go." And he literally took me to the most congested area on a hill that was like, I mean, a straight incline. He was like, "Go or hit the car behind you," and that's how I learned.
You made it.
Survived. Thank you.
Yeah. Sorry for the little scare.
Sorry, girl.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, man. So, as you guys see, we survived. This was a fun video. Thank you, Dallas, for allowing me to abuse your car a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, bring you a little behind the scenes. It's been almost 20 years since I've driven a manual on the real streets. So it's been a while, man. So it was a little rough, but I'm not too bad. Once I get going, I'm okay. And I can avoid hills, I'm okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to definitely go check out Dallas's channel, Unworthy Motors. He's got a lot of great content. There's beautiful M4s on there as well.
Thank you.
I'll be putting his information down below and also having that pop up on the screen somewhere around here. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Peace.